Everything heavy. Heck, you probably need that scissors or knife to open it up again.
Really?
Well, I never opened it.
Here, there's a tab here.
I hope it's what I ordered.
Put that nylon string in, probably.
You need Larry to help you? Get that reciprocal saw out here right now.
That's right. Get that out here.
Cut the end of it off. Do you want? What did we do with your scissors that you had? I don't know where you put them. You have a jackknife?